Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can send a trade offer to your friend in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be on your Steam account, then just click here to friends and chat, right click on your friend, click trading, and you're going to see here send a trade offer. And I'm going to do it on someone who is offline. And it will go here to Steam community, so you need to log in here. I will just log in, give me a second. And voila, here we got it. Look at this. And now you just add here your inventory and you just make offer. That's pretty much it. How we do it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and some support. You know how it works. But yeah. Have a great day, everybody, and goodbye.